Hey guys! So, I just got home kasi umalis kami kasama sila Marin and Sanvi. So, ngayon kasi yung celebration ng birthday ni Marin. Pero yung birthday niya is noong November 30, which is yun yung day na ginanap yung celebration ng 18 namin. So, ngayon, today is Wednesday and galing kaming city and sa house nila. So, naisipan ko, i-open na lahat ng gift. And I really love Marin. Kasi may pahabol pa siya guys ng gift. Look. She made me this one. It's so cute. Alam niyo ba guys, ito yung pinakagusto ko. Like, kasi back then, like, yung na-addict pa ako sobra sa Twice. Tapos gumawa si Chaeyoung ng ganito. So, ayun. It's so cute. I really love it. Di ba guys, ang cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cherish this forever. Like, she's a sweet girl. Super. Yan guys, pinila niya pa ako ng ganito. Namin huwag na kasi sobrang dami niyang pinili. Bumili pa siya ng isang necklace para for matchy-matchy namin sila Sanvi. May ganito rin. Ayan. Diba? It's so cute. So, yeah. I'm gonna open all the gifts. So, nandito siya sa gilid ko. So, open ko lang. So, I changed like pwesto. So, nandito lahat ng gifts sa baba ko. So, the first one I will open is from Marin. Okay. So, she gave me a carrot, which is my favorite. This is my favorite snack. So, it's perfect. A carrot. And I don't know. Nakalimutan ko kung anong stuff to. I mean, kung anong hayop to. And then, I got this. Yan. She really know yung ano ko, pinaka-shade ko guys. Like, yung shade ko is like parang darkish white. Like, mga ganun lang. So, perfect yan. And then, dami yung binigay na earrings sa akin. I mean, quinta. Like, ito is, I think this is a bracelet. Diba? And another two necklaces, like, the cross one. Alam mo ba guys, the story behind this is like, ang tagal ko nang gustong bilhin tong cross na quintas. Parang nagulat ako nang binigay sa akin, I mean, si Sandy. Nagulat ako guys. Like, sabi ko, oh my gosh, yan yung gustong bilhin for myself. And then, yan, binila nila ako. So, ito galing kang ganito is the silver na cross. And then, this other one, silver, pabilog na quintas. And then, a letter. Actually, ano to eh, Tagalog to eh. Magaling na kasi siya mag-Tagalog, so yun. Pero mamaya ako na mabasahin lahat ng letter. Yan. Thank you, Marina. I love you so much. And then, ito pa ako. Yan, quintas. And then, crochet. I like this. Super. And favorite color ko kasi pink. Actually, nung bata talaga ako, favorite color pink. May pink. May touch of pink din ako dito sa kwarto ko. Like, yung mga gantong color na pink. Favorite ko kasi is black, red, white. Is dati is pink. I mean, ayun din naman, gusto ko ng pink, pero not really. Hindi na ganun kagusto. Like, siguro sa mga ano lang, sa mga ganito, pero sa mga damit. So, next, and yung quintas na matchy-matchy kami dapat. And sila mahin meron din ganito. Next, I'm just gonna put here. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this because like I'm so lazy to edit and sometimes I don't have time to edit this. From Adi, Brendel, and Ben. Hindi ko kilala kung sino sila pero thank you po. Thank you. And actually nabuksan namin ito eh nung nag-live kami nung 30. Yan. I got a picture frame. May picture frame ng guys. Lalo na white. Favorite ko rin yung white. I-design ko siya dito sa front ano ko. Next. From Tita Sandra. So, this is, ang cute niya guys. May pangalan ko, oh. Yan, oh. Jazz. Pero naisip ko, lagay ko siya sa DJI. Ayan, lalagay ko siya sa DJI ko. Kasi may ganito siya. Actually, natagal ko na gusto magkaroon ng ganito. Para may hawakan ako ng DJI ko. Like, parang iipit ko lang siya doon. So, yan. Thank you po. I-cherish ko to guys lahat. As in, gusto ko lang bumili ng bag. Tapos doon ko ilalagay lahat ng gift. Like, mga important for me. And also letter. Sobrang sentimental ko kasi. Lalo na yung mga letter na yan. I will cherish them all. Thank you po. Tapos yung buwas ko doon to. Kasi nangangat yung lalamunan ko. Ito pa guys. Nabuksan ko kasi ito guys. Ito yung sinuot ko nung 30th. Nung November 30th. Yan. Yung cross. Nakikita. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko isasama yung video nyo. Nakikita nyo yun. Suot-suot ko yun. Tapos ilagay ko rin dito yung ano yung unbox na kami sa school kasi in-unbox ko na siya sa school kasi dinala ni Sandy. So, na-excite ako. Binasa ko na I love this one. The cross. guys. Kiss-Harry. And then next, yeah, magagamit ko na siya. Kasi gusto ko na ito gamitin. Kaso hindi ko siya hindi ko pa ng video siya. Guys, kung gift na rin. Ano siya, lemongrass and ginger. Real diffuser. Ngayon, magagamit ko na siya. So, ito, letter guys. Yan, may atlas natin yan. Lahat ng letter. Next one is, ang sweet nila guys. Like, sobra akong natatouch. Kasi yung sinbili siya kayong mama niya. Actually, kanina, diba nandun kami sa bahay nila Miri. Ano lang, sobrang gusto ng mama na parang kasi like, guys, nakita namin doon. Naisip ko na parang siyang yung lola namin, yung grandma namin sa Pinas. As in, the way she cared and like, kung paano siya mag-act actually. Lalo na pag may mga bisita. Kasi mga kaibigan din namin sa Pinas, pupunta sa bahay namin. So, like, parang, same sila ng ano, like, kung paano sila mag-act ni mama. So, ano, nakita ko lang sa mama. Tapos, narigaluhan kami. Sobrang sweet niya. Naiyak talaga ko guys. Nagulat ako kasi yung binigay sa amin ito. Ang dami yung binigay. Like, sobrang care niya. Tapos, tutulungan namin si Miri maglinis dun sa bahay nila. Kasi nga, syempre kumain din kami dun. Ayaw ng mama niya. So, parang ganun si mama. Like, parang, alam mo yun, ang dami niluto sa amin. Like, nung nagpunta lang kami dun, ang dami niluto sa amin ng pagkain. Sobrang sweet na. Tapos, next. Ito. Gusto ko to guys. Guys, saan yun ito galing? Hindi ko alam kung ano. From Tita Bell and Mike. Thank you po. Pero hindi ko sila pinanood. Makakalimutin kasi ako. Sobrang makakalimutin. Super thank you po. Ito guys. Shade ko na naman. Nagulat na ako kasi nga, ganito as in, ganito na ganito talaga yung shade ko. Tapos, gusto ko talaga ito. Wait lang, buksan natin. Sa mga, like, mga pang-organize na ganito, mga pouch. Kahit yung iba minsan hindi ko naman nagagamit. So, I mean, nagagamit ko kasi marami naman ako in-store. Marami kasi akong pang-lalagyan. Ayan. May ba't ganda yung boss? I need water. So, I have this pouch. And then, thank you po. And then, this one. Pwedeng eyeshadow or eyeliner. So, yun. This is actually talaga my shade. Like, ganito talaga yung shade ko. Kasi nga, yung sa sister ko is like parang light. And ganun yung pinaka-color niya eh. Like yung shade niya. So, then next guys is yung galing kay tita and kay daddy. So, binigyan nila kami ng LED. First na to. And yung nasabi ko, bibili ako ng malaking bags. Para dun ko lalagay lahat store ko lahat. Guys, look. Nagamit ko na rin to. 30. Look, it's so cute. Ang ano niya lang, sobrang minimal and simple.
Nice!
Actually, ganyan yung mga gusto ko, yung mga maliliit lang, tapos pwede siya i-pair sa mga ano. Thank you po! Like, I like it. Kasi, sobrang na-addict sa mga kwintas, lalo na yung mga ganito. Ito yung, basta yung mga minimal lang, yung maliit. Tapos, here. The next. Smell natin. Thank you po. Diba, puro pink talaga. As in, pink talaga yung mga favorite ko dati. Ow! Ito yung body bata. Wala, ang bango. Ang bango.
Ikaw ba pang design ko ng picture? Wow! Oh my gosh! Thank you po! Ito ko mamay. Pero pag naman. Ang bango niya! Ano to? I think this is lotion. Or soap? I'm not sure. Ay, soap. Ano to? Lotion na to? Body wash.
Soap nga. Sige. Then next. Guys, nababatan ko talagang gawin mga ganito. Basta, parang, picture pang design o pang organize, diba? Kasi ito pwede kong pang, wala, ito yung pang design. Anyway, let's play back. So, ang cute pa ng handle. Ano nakalagay? Next. Alam niyo guys, hindi ko pa nabubuksan yung ano ko, yung DJI mic. Like, nandun pa rin yung DJI mic ko, nasa likod niyo. Hindi ko siya na-open. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya open talaga.
Yay! Next one.
Thank you so much po. Natin, guys. Or I can like use this and then like design ko na siya ng white for all the sentimental thing that kailangan i-cherish forever. But bibili na lang talaga ako. This one is guide. And na-open ko na rin siya ng nakaraan. Yan, gray. And then this is for my sister. May block na kasi ako. Sobre yung pinili ko. Sling bag. Yeah, I have another one. Ganito kasi mga bed ko, guys. Yung ganyan. Yarn. Bili na kayo. Bili na kayo, bili kayo. Just. Yan, ganyan. Or ganyan. Yan yung mga beddad ko talaga. Pero I feel like tatanggalin ko to. Kasi ayokong violet. Like, maganda yung violet pero hindi ko talaga bet yung violet. But I like this bag. Thank you po. Naalala ko si Jayong. Hindi talaga na ito. Bet na bet ko to. As in kasi gusto yung crochet na inano ni Jayong. Lagi ko dyan. Yan. So cute. Thank you, Mirin. I love her so much. I really love Mirin. Dami niya nang binigay na gifts. So yun lang guys for today's video. Hindi ko alam kung today's video is hello. So anyways, hindi alam ko saan ko ito sasama. Sa 30 nung November sa November 30. Sa November 30 ko ba ito isasama? Like yung mga video ng November 30 or ng November 20. So, I don't know kung saan ito makikita. Basta ma-post ko nila. Kasi I'm currently editing the Quran. So, na guys. Bye-bye! And also earlier, papakita ko sa inyo mga binili. May binili akong earrings. Ang ganda. Guys, kasi nag-lovisa kami and hindi na ako nakapag-film earlier kasi nga low-bat na talaga ako. Tapos yung camera ko is full and I need to buy SD card.
Where's the other one, bro? Where's the boy? So I bought this one. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it. But yeah. Maganda ng mga earrings nila. And it's only like 5 or 10 $.
So I got this one. Ayan yung may cross. Yeah. Ang cute. Matchy-matchy sila nung yung quintas ko na cross. Tapos itong plain lang na gold. Yan. And then, star, of course. Favorite ko ang star. Like, mga alam mo yung rock star. Tapos yan. Star ulit. Pero ibang design.
And then, yan. Hindi ako, like, nag-pearl lang siya. Ano ko, kinang-kinang sa dela.
Ako kumukuha ng silver kasi, like, I like silver but then I feel like hindi siya sa skin tone ko. Bye guys, I hope you like this video and I hope to see you guys on my next video.
Hindi ko kung kailan.
When and where. Trust.
So, bye guys. And I'm currently filming this on my laptop kasi yung phone ko is low bat. Tapos yung camera ko nga is full. So, yeah. Bye guys. I hope to see you on my next video and I hope you guys like this. Wait lang, try natin mag-outro parang YouTuber yung dami talaga. Bye guys, see you on my next video. I hope you like this and please give a big thumbs up. Ayun, nabulol pa. Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Down there. Yeah.
And yung bukas ko ganito kasi nakangate. Dami kong kinain na chocolate cake kanina. Nagustuhan ko yung chocolate cake namin. Kasi nagdala kami ng cake dun sa kila Mirin and naghiwa din si Mirin ng cake. So, okay lang yan. Kahit marami tayo nakain na cake. Tayo ma-feel guilty. Diba? Just. So, nagkakat kasi ako guys ng sugar. Pero,
At least masaya. Ano daw? Anyways, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And paulit-ulit na yung outro ko. Bye-bye guys. Bye!
and that's all. That's all the gift that I got. And thank you so much po sa mga nagbigay. Sa mga gifts. Sa mga gifts na to. Thank you so much. Kila Daddy and Tita. Ayan. And then, yeah, so my family sa Pilipinas.
Thank you pa. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Why is it zooming?
It zooms. It puts you in the center. So if I go in,
Wow. Wait, how do you make that, bro?
no, it's a new feature. So it's only in this one.
What is that, MacBook?
MacBook M4.
It's so cool.
Just go here. I don't want to be on camera.
Bring yourself. Okay, sure.
So guys, for today's video, we're in school and we're using the laptop because we're not allowed to use phone. So I'm gonna unbox Sanvi's gift to me. First one is this.
You can take this or any.
We love this. I see. This was supposed to. No, I'm not gonna tell you.
Bonus and she's not allowed to light it. So I was like, that's me. So Jazz, that's over that. Jazz is like your dad doesn't allow you to light candles because it's toxic.
Oh yeah.
So I got the easier.
But then we're always lighting the candle. Then I don't know if the door is open. You know, I was about to get this to my room too. Get this level test. So guys, I have this level. I wanna smell it right now. The next.
Yours has a name on it, yeah?
Ooh, bro. Guys, I got the visa. Wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
I don't know if you like it. I saw this and the first thing I thought, oh my god, that's so Jazz. I got it for her.
Bro, you know, I went to Lovisa and I was about to get this, but then, nah, I'm not gonna get it.
I got the exact same thing. Wait, it's okay, I can switch it. I got one for Jazz and Brittany.
Oh, okay.
So I can switch.
Wait, what have we got the same for Venice as
What is
well?
it? I got the silver one for Brittany.
No, okay.
Oh my god, my color is like gold. Bro, oh my god, I'm gonna get it. I swear, guys. I was supposed to get this, but then, no, I'm not. I'm saving up. But like, oh my god.
Marion, you're psychic. I was about to get the silver one for Venice, but then I didn't. I got something different.
For me, I thought they were. I got the matching.
I got different. I was like, I should get the one for Venice, but then I was like, no, I'll get them both golden.
Oh, that's
I hate them. They already, they know us more, much more. I hate you guys.
I'll make Venice open her when she's here.
No,
that's
thank
so funny.
you. Don't have to telepathy because I really was supposed to get this, but then I don't have it.
That's nice. You like it?
I like it super. This is just my dream like this. Like I
Really?
was, wait, how do I say this? I've been wanting for this for
It's like the cross.
yeah. You like it super. This is so sentimental. I love it.
That's it. And then you got a letter.
And I got the letter.
I'll read it.
No, she already read it. I'm just
Okay, I
telling
will
you.
read it, guys.
Do you want me to bring your gift tomorrow or you're on the 30th?
It's up to you. It's up to you.
I'll bring it on the... You want it tomorrow, don't you?
No, it's okay.
How can you get a gift?
early and then just wait. I would be too impatient. I'm like, you know what? I just do stuff. So I just I'm going to put them in my hand. I just want to don't read it out loud. When Mary's Day come, I'll give her one too, but don't read it out loud. Yeah. Let's not give her any. I don't want to give. I just want you guys to be there. I love her baby. I see. I love her.
Bro, I'm gonna cry. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm so overwhelmed and so excited all these things. Yeah, guys.
Unboxing them. I was too impatient. I got this yesterday. I'm like, I just want to give it to them already.
Yeah, because you know I still have a lot of things that I do, but like maybe the other ones I might put it for next week because I don't have time to edit.
That's all, guys. Thank you for watching and good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Like, what do we call them? What do we call them? The followers?
No, the followers.
What is that? I forgot.
Motherfuckers! Wait! We have study line with Dji Osmo Action. So, only Venice doesn't have any study line. That's so sad. I hope he's with me. But no guys, I want to come back. Roast cake.
Yeah. Bye, guys. We're just gonna take this off. Bye.
Bye-bye.